So we're gonna smoke test the Lexus. Bo's over there smoking his BMW. It's got a intake leak. What I've done is I rigged up this little gas cap adapter that I'm gonna use to smoke test it. When you coming home?
No, she told me she was gonna take a nap with the kids in case I try to get a hold of her.
My last comments. Let's check my comments last. I got one comment that said, your garage is as big as my bathroom. Good video. Now, if it wouldn't have said good video, I probably would have gotten pretty pissed off. Fuck, man, I'm sorry, you know?
Why even say that? Oh, fuck.
I don't know. These people fucking suck. Your garage is as big as my bathroom. What do you think about that?
I think I don't even have a garage. I barely have a bathroom. Damn, that's fucked up.
Smoke machine needs power. Always hook up ground first. Are you done?
Yeah.
Here, just point this at me real quick. Like the selfie stick. Thanks. Camera boy.
That's all you need me for?
Hold this more. So, hit the button, smokes, it sounds like a bomb.
It does.
Here, I'll show you what it does. These things are real expensive. A lot of people, they're so expensive, a lot of people end up making smoke machines out of like fog machines. Because they're so expensive. But I happen to have one.
Must be nice.
Okay, so you see the smoke? Smoke.
Yes.
So I hook it up to the gas cap. I drilled a hole in the gas cap, in this extra gas cap. It's gonna fill the tank up with smoke. It's gonna fill up the evap lines that go all the way to the intake up, and it's gonna fill up the charcoal canister up. And we'll find out where it's leaking.
Cool. Jurassic Park. Every day.
So I think I kind of already know where this thing's leaking at, without even smoking it. But I figured I'd do a. Where's the flashlight at? Do a little video. I don't do normally. So this is part of the evap system. That's what some of these hoses are. At least one of them's for the vent valve, which I don't know what the fuck Toyota calls it, but that's what GM calls it. All right, but if you look at this hose right here, it's got little cracks in it, and that's pretty much where the evap's coming from. So if we keep smoking it, at some point, smoke will come out of there.
Is it smoky even though it's not bogging, like bubbling?
Oh, I don't know. But you have your vent solenoid right there, which goes to one hose goes to your intake, and one goes to the gas tank. So, and the line that goes to the gas tank, which is this one, has cracks in it, and that's where it's leaking.
See it?
No, it's not smoking yet. You gotta fill the tank up good.
Is the gas tank almost full?
It might be. Hit it again?
I'm staying in it.
I wonder, it should go, I mean, I did make that cap thing, it is, take the cap off. Oh. Yeah, I made it where it's gonna definitely work.
Yeah. Well, smoke's coming out of the tank.
Is it? Okay. Here, let's see smoke coming out of the tank. Smoke? Yeah, smoke. Okay.
Yeah, so check it out. You're holding it down? Listen. It just turns off.
Yeah, I didn't like the pressure, huh? That sucks. Well, this video turned out fucking bad. All my videos are a struggle, man. Why? 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 God damn, dude. How does it give me a vacuum? How does it give me an evap code when it can't even...
Let's just bake it real quick. Crack it.
Well, it is cracked. I just would like to be able to test it. I don't want to rip the airbox open to be able to show a smoke leak, you know? I guess I have to.
Where's it supposed to be leaking from?
Here. It's leaking from right here. See the crack in the hose? Right here. I don't know if you can see it. Here, put it back. You can see it real good. See it?
Yeah.
Oh, Lordy. So apparently everything I just did, you know, it's not going to work for YouTube purposes. Okay, I can smoke it. I can smoke it right here. Which isn't the best example of shit, but man, it says fuck you real quick. There we go. You see it? Hopefully that'll pick it up.
I see it.
Can you see it?
Yep.
Can you get it?
I don't know if I can catch it on camera, but I see it. Yeah, I'm getting it.
Smoking anyways. So I had to back smoke it kind of just to show how it was leaking. The clip, they're not very strong, but the clip lives here. All it takes is that little puff. That's puffing right there. That's it. I'll get you your vacuum. I'll get you your evap leak. Oh yeah! Don't do drugs.
Only on Saturdays.
Need your wife isn't here. Cool. Thanks.
Yeah.
What did you figure out, Bo?
So it turns out at some point this hose got cut, right? So they put this hose on there and caked on a shitload of silicone, and they just boogered it together. So this is where the leak was coming from.
Oh shit.
Yeah. And there's like wire running around it, like it's like a vacuum hose / wire loom.
It's like reinforcement, huh? So it doesn't collapse.
Is it? But it's actual wire. It's butt connected out here. It's like electrical.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, if there's any BMW guys out there that know what the fuck that is, that'd be kind of cool. Because we don't know what the fuck that is.
It looks expensive.
Yeah, and that's the cheapest way possible to fix it, huh?
I guess, yeah.
It probably, what the fuck do you think that does? Yeah. The internet would probably tell us we're a bunch of fucking idiots, and that's the vacuum heater or something.
It heats up the vacuum.
Stupid shit, yeah.
Vacuum coils. That's some crazy shit right there.
So what are we doing? We're over here crafting up the elbow.
Yeah, so this is the first elbow. I popped this guy off. Alright, it's got like this. That comes off, and that goes on. Look at that. Yeah, probably put some, lube it up, stick it in there. Try to raw dog it. You like that, huh? Yeah.
So just took it off and put some heat shrink on it. And just shrink some heat shrink on there. Kind of band-aid it for now. Hey, come hold this GoPro for me. Burnt.
It's burnt? You don't need to hold it close.
Yeah, it's kind of ghetto, but I don't think I have the right size hose to go on here. This is easy. Easy enough. I can play with a lighter. What do you think about that?
Fire.
Today is the day of just chigga rigging vacuum hoses.
Chigga rigging.
Chigga rigging. Yeah.
And you can say that.
Yes, I can say that. Where my chiggas at?
All my chiggas. Making knockoffs in factories for
What?
pennies. What?
The chiggers?
Yeah. Oh, no, never mind.
A little chigger kiss? Is that what you're talking about?
What?
Damn, look at that. Look at that repair. It is fucking... You wouldn't even know. That's like the factory fixed that shit. That's dealer quality shit. Look at that. Damn. It's pretty clean, huh?
It's alright.
That's alright.
It's fucking clean.